Okay, now we're going to show you how to put the dishwasher together. It's also the opposite when you take it apart, of course. These are all the pieces that you need. Everything's clean. It should be cleaned at the end of every single shift. The dishwasher's clean, washed out, just like we explained before. One little thing is, in the pre-rinse cycle, there's a little netting down here. Don't forget to wash that every night. Right, now we're going to put the dishwasher back together. Start by at one end to the other. These are the curtains. They're all the same. So you just put them in. There's no worry about where they go, which way they go. They need to just go in. There's two at the front. They hang up into the top. One behind here, as you can see, and one in the front here, so the water doesn't come out. There's one in the middle to separate the main washing tank to the rinsing tank. It sits up there, and the ones at the back here on the way out. They're hard to see in this light, but these nets only fit one place. So, and again, there's two of those, and they hang up. They're pretty easy to find. Just got to look for them, and you'll get it. Right. The next is what we put in is the spray jet arms. Again, there's only one place that they can fit. Make sure the holes are pointed down on this one, or pointing towards towards the dishes. And there's a little clamp here, and they just get clamped on. Again, make sure they point in the right direction, you know. You can see Valley how he's doing it. There's a hole on one side. You put it through, and then clamp it down. This is it. This is the clamp he's got here. So it's pretty easy to see that the clamp goes into the hole already. But I'll bring it in and show you here. It goes into there. Bang. And it's just the opposite when you're taking the dishwasher apart. All this needs to be removed at the end of every single night and every single shift. Alright, so now we've got the jets in. We've got the nets in. So there's only really two things left we have to worry about. The next one is actually really important. It's the plugs. Now this is really important. It goes in the right way. You can see he's put it down and hang it over there. That means that it is correct. If the dishwasher doesn't fill up, it's generally because this one is not in correctly. The second one is for the rinse tank. And you can see the handle goes over there. This is the, if I pull this, it empties all the water. Push it down, make sure this is pushed forward, and that way it's fine. Now for the grates, the two flat ones go in either side of the main shaft where the water goes in. Put them in nice and close. And this one, these two go this way with a big deep catchment area at the back of the machine, and they fit in there nice and snugly. So the only thing you have left to do now, we pull down the cupboards, we turn it on here, that's the main power, and then we turn it on here. The system starts up. Well, it takes a couple of seconds to do that. It takes about 30 seconds apparently. and we'll show you how it fills. Just this one means fill the machine. This one means if you've got any trays at the end of the night, just push this and it'll push all the machines, all the trays out of the machine. This one is the start button. These two are manual buttons, I think they are. This resets the alarm, and this is on and off. This round one here is a contact time. This is how quickly the baskets go through the machine. It can be set from 50 seconds up to 180 seconds. You need to decide yourself how quickly, how dirty the dishes are. But this way down, this way up, longer time, but more clean plates. This is the emergency stop, also located down there. Alright, so now it's turned on, it's ready to go. And then what we need to do, actually we've got a file here. This means there's one of these turned on. That one's, check that one for us. Right, then we reset the alarm. And then we press fill.